Ornamental aquarium fish are a feast to the eyes. These swimming beauties can dazzle almost everyone with their fantastic color and beauty. A vast number of species of fish have been successfully kept in home aquariums. Watch these stunning beauties parading before your eyes on the aquarium ramp. Know their profile and fall in love with them. This is Arapaima gigas or Pirarucu or paish, a South American tropical freshwater fish, a favorite of the aquarium enthusiasts the world over. It is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. The Arapaima can reach lengths of more than 2 meters, that's 6.6 feet. In some exceptional cases, even more than 2.5 meters and over 100 kilos. Next on the aquarium ramp is a black ghost knife fish. They are found mainly on northern South America in the Amazon River basin. It is elongated, laterally compressed species with a long anal fin that starts at the base of the pectoral fins. The body and fins are jet black in color. The base of the tail fin is marked with 2 wide vertical bands. Watch this, it's an African cichlids or Lake Malawi with a maximum size of 10 inches have a lifespan of 10 years. Their natural habitat is East African Lake Malawi, after which they are named. The African cichlid is a large oval-shaped fish. The coloring of the male is more than intense that of the female. The head is pale blue while the body is light golden yellow. The Malawi blue dolphin, or otherwise known as the blue Muri, comes from Lake Malawi in Africa. It gets to be rather large, up to 10 inches, and has an overall blue coloring. Besides developing a lump on its head as an adult, it also has a rather elongated snout. So it is also commonly known as the hump head. This swimming beauty is peacock cichlid or orange blossom. This semi-aggressive fish also belongs to Lake Malawi in Africa, but is also farm-raised in the US. It is speculated that the orange blossom peacock cichlid originated from a cross between an Alonocara nisei and a species of female buna. The colorations are highly variable in this hybrid and will range from orange to yellow with different shades of blue. The patterns will also vary from being mottled to striped in nature. This one is moonlight gourami or the moonbeam gourami. This is covered with an even silvery sheen tinted with a pastel green iridescence. The fish is quite stunning, even more so as it ages. It is capable of achieving 7 inches in length and makes quite an impact in a well-thought-out tank. Moonlight gouramis have developed a love-hate relationship with aquarium plants. So even plants are to their liking and make them comfortable. They will tend to chew on them. These fish originate from Thailand, Cambodia. Next on the ramp is the flower horn. It is a man-made hybrid cichlid which is a result of interbreeding many kinds of cichlids. The flower horn was invented in 2001 by breeders in Southeast Asia. According to the breed strain of the flower horn, the color varies. This red-tailed cat or Fractocephalus hemioleptiteris you are watching is a temperamentally aggressive fish available in black, red and white color. It's a native of South America and belongs to the Pimliodidae family. The red-tailed cat has a broad head and body that tapers towards the tail. It has a dark black body, white underbelly and a bright red tail. The hindfin lyre-tailed swordtail parading before your eyes here is a peaceful fish, available in orange, red and yellow color. They generally farm raised mainly in Singapore. The high-fin lyre-tailed swordtail's flowing fins make it beautiful, graceful addition to any aquarium. It is very popular fish among the beginner to advanced freshwater aquarists. Wolf eel is another aggressive aquarium fish found mainly in the Indo-Pacific. The wolf eel is often referred to as a blenny. Common names include carpet eel blenny, eared eel blenny, and green wolf eel. Its body is brownish in color and highlights of green. Barbonymus schwanenfeldi is commonly known as the tin-foil barb, having a size of up to 35 centimeters. Its a natural habitat is Asia's rivers and lake in Borneo, Sumatra and Thailand. It is alive and peaceful, will eat anything it can fit in its mouth. This is electric yellow lab, which earned its common name because of its striking yellow color of its body. Also known as the Labradorchromis caeruleus, this shy and peaceful species is very popular among the hobby aquarists. Any beginner aquarist can successfully keep this fish because they are undemanding of the water conditions. They will accept a wide variety of food and they are very easy to breed. This fish will get to be as long as 6 inches, which makes it a great candidate for the aquarium since it's not a very large species.
Hi, and welcome to Marine Biz TV. You're watching the world's first global maritime TV channel.
Telescope goldfish, which you see here, belongs to the family of Cyprinidae. They are a bizarre-looking fish with its eyes perched on top of long cone-like bases that extend out from the sides of its head. The eyes are the most intriguingly curious characteristic of the telescopic goldfish. Their large eyes are set on top of long telescope-like cone-like stalks mounted on the sides of its head. It is believed that telescopic goldfish, which were first developed in China in the early 1700s and were called as dragon eyes or dragonfish. This one is Orateus cichlid, Melochromis oratus, a freshwater fish of the cichlid family. It's also known as golden mubana and Malawi golden cichlid. It is endemic to the southern region of Lake Malawi. They are small, elongate fish that can grow up to 11 centimeters. Juveniles and females are bright yellow with black and white stripes on the upper half of the body. Adult male coloration is drastically different with dark brown body and gray stripes on the upper half of the body. Here comes electric blue cichlid, also an aggressive blue-colored fish. A native of Africa's Lake Malawi. It's also farmed raised in the US. The electric blue African cichlid creates a gorgeous, colorful focal point in the freshwater aquarium. It has the typical sleek bullet-shaped body common to the cichlid family. The active electric blue African cichlid seems equally content guarding its territory and pursuing the perimeter of the aquarium. This is a semi-aggressive red parrot belonging to the Cichlidae family. This orange-red are mainly farm-raised in the US. The red parrot is sometimes referred to as blood red parrot and is a result of crossbreeding different Central American cichlids. The body of this fish is round in shape with a beak-shaped nose. These African cichlids are found in the East African Lake Malawi and areas surrounding Hongai Island. Synonymous names are redtop kimpuma, Hongai redtop, and Hongi super redtop. Hongi naturally occurs in the east coast of Lake Malawi in the Tanzanian zone. The coloration of this fish differs depending on its mood. Dorsal fins are also range in color from yellow to orange. The colors of the dominant male can be quite exquisite, including orange blaze and cream lilac coloring. The red-cap oranda goldfish, or Carceus oratus, is another scintillating beauty of the aquarium ramp. Its origin is in Asia, China, and Japan, and it belongs to the Cyprinidae family. The red-cap oranda is one of the several varieties of what is commonly known as goldfish, Carceus oratus. The red-cap oranda is typically metallic scaled fish. The round stingray, or Rabatus holeri, you see here is an aggressive fish belonging to the Eastern Pacific temperament. Aggressive, belonging to the family of Urophidae. The round stingray is also known as the California stingray. It is a bottom-dwelling fish with a brown body and yellow spots. The tail spine is venomous, but is also used for protection. This is the red-tailed butterfly fish. This fish originated from Pakistan and is also found in Indonesia, the Philippines, and the Indian Ocean. This fish is generally difficult to keep as a pet, and this is probably because their natural diet consists mainly of coral polyps. Meet the Korean angelfish. This Caribbean origin is extremely popular. The body color is yellow and green that bleeds from light to dark, moving front to back along the body. Lighter areas are speckled blue, while darker areas have a more yellow speckled appearance. The head is plain yellow-green with sapphire blue gills, margins, and eye rings. The fins are also outlined in sapphire blue. The juvenile is black and white and blue stripes. The Humu Picasso triggerfish, also known as a triggerfish or the Picasso triggerfish, has a wacky painted appearance. It has a tanned body with gradient dark bands and vibrant blue and black stripes on the top of the head, with a yellow stripe from cheek to cheek and deeply set back eyes. The Humu Picasso triggerfish needs a varied diet of meaty foods including squids, krills, clams, small fish, and hard-shelled shrimps to help wear down their ever-growing teeth. The yellow-tailed damselfish is extremely hard and gorgeously colored. In fact, the Chiripitra parasema is considered to be the ultimate damselfish. This is partly because of its jewel blue body is contrasted by an energizing yellow tail. But what pleases most is that the yellow-tailed damsel is less aggressive and does not need a large aquarium as other damsels. Also known as yellow-tailed demoiselle, this fish lives on zooplankton and algae in the aquarium. For best care, it should also be fed with a varied diet of meaty food such as mysis and vitamin-enriched shrimps. It is best to feed several small meals throughout the day. The Severum you see here is a popular large cichlid with a quiet, peaceful disposition. Their gold form is an aquarium-produced strain and is nicely golden yellow from a young age. They usually grow up to 15 to 20 centimeters. More than 225 species with estimates of 300 species of cichlids are found throughout South America. An estimated 75% of this inhabit the mighty Amazon River basin. This cardinal tetra, or Parachutodon accelerati, is another beauty of the aquarium. This peaceful fish is blue or red and are found raised in South America. Belonging to the Caricidae family, cardinal tetra brings delicate beauty to any home. Its bright blue stripes contrasted by a lower red stripe that runs through the entire length of its body. It is native to the slow-moving waters of the various well-vegetated tributaries in South America. This is Oscar fish. It's a very intelligent fish that can recognize its owner. The heavily built Oscar is an all-time favorite among aquarium hobbyists. Originally imported from South America, most Oscars for sale are now tank bred. The Oscar fish has its own ideas on how to decorate when he considers his home. He will grab any object including small rocks and plants and spit them out of the tank if he doesn't like them. What you have seen is a small fraction of the world's aquarium beauties. Hope you enjoyed watching them. We shall be presenting more of these beauties another time. Till then, it's goodbye.